So here's how to change Facebook ID. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Changing your Facebook ID is not possible as it is a unique identifier that is associated with your Facebook account. The Facebook ID is assigned to your account when it is created and cannot be changed or modified. However, you do have the option to change your username or URL on Facebook, which can be used as a direct link to your profile. Here's how you can set a custom URL or username. For this, you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now click on the gear icon at the top, and once you click on it, now it will open this menu. From here, you have to click on the meta menu. Now click on the profiles, and once you click on it, now it will open this interface. Now from here you have to select the profile, and once you select your profile, now it will take you to this interface. Here you have to click on the username option. Then here at this interface you have to type in any username that you want to keep. After entering your username, then click on the done, and once you click on it, now your username has been changed. Now just to show you how it looks, I'm gonna open my account via my Chrome browser. Here I'm gonna click on the Facebook, and as you can see that my profile has been opened. Now I'm gonna click on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now here I'm gonna show you the URL of my profile. To show you my URL, now I'm gonna click on the profile tab, and as you can see that my URL has been updated. Now this is my Facebook ID. So this is how you can change your Facebook ID.